Guys, welcome back to my channel New Growth Naturals. In today's video I'll be doing this juicy, fluffy, well moisturized 2-strand twist on her natural hair. And just look at that movement, guys. These are just so awesome. By the way, guys, my name is Samantha. If we're meeting for the first time, on this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hair, natural hairstyles, and so much more. So this is what I'll be using to twist her hair. This is a Cantu lock and twist gel here. This is a consistency. Smells really good. This product really helps to keep the hair together and to make this beautiful style last much longer. However, this is not the only product that is on her hair. Prior to this, I use my shea butter leave-in recipe that I made myself. You can check out my videos, my DIY playlist for how I made that recipe. That really keeps our hair moist, because this product tends to give the hair a firm oil once it's done and dried. It's not too stiff, but I do have to say it feels a little bit drying sometimes after it's used, and that's why I recommend using an oil or some butter and cream along with this product. Not everybody will have the same experience, however, but I noticed that once it is dry on most of the clients' hair. So then, without further ado, let's show you how I get these beautiful twists done, and definitely I'll be showing you a close-up view as soon as possible, so just keep watching. By the way, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because you'll be getting so much more hair tips and also styling ideas and tutorial on how to, care for and style your natural hair. I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video, so I'll play some music for you, and I'll see you in the comment section. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this style, and if you'd ever try 2-strand twist, what your favorite protective styles are, what products you use to do your twist. Let me know. Give me all the tea in the comment section, guys.
That's all that you want there. That's all that you want there. solitude. Solitude.
We forget just who we are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas or far away, we're alright. That's why you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas or far away.
Solitude.
We forget just who we are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas or far away, we're alright. That's why you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas or far away.
Solitude.
why we forget just who we are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas tomorrow when we're alright. That's when you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas tomorrow.
Baby, pensa legione.
That's why we forget just who we are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas tomorrow when we're alright. That's when you remember who you are. Make us complicated and alright. That's why we forget just who we are. Overseas tomorrow.
Baby, pensa legione.
So after over 15 minutes of twisting this section, yes, it was done in real time. I did not edit the time to speed up this video at all. We're finally at our last twist. This is looking so good. By the way, shrinkage is really the digger shrinkage. Like, I like the way it makes her hair even more fluffy and bouncy. Gotta say, I love me some shrinkage. Anyway, guys, this is the last twist. All the white product that you're seeing on our hair now, as soon as our hair dry, it will disappear. This product will not make our hair flake. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. These are products that I legit use and like. I don't use this product for every type of twist. I use it for certain curl patterns, and certain different type of hair tend to hold with certain products over others. I have a lot of twisting butters, gels, and creams that I use for different types of hair and porosity. So this is just what works for her hair that I am using, guys. So usually after I'm finished, I'll put her under the dryer to dry. Some persons prefer to do hair dry. Whatever your preference is, it will dry in a matter of few minutes, and then you won't see any white residue whatsoever. So let's look at the side. Looking so good and bouncy. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, leave a comment below, and share this video. Until next time, remember, Jesus loves you, so be very good. Bye.